Hey guys, Matt Popovich here. Today in my series of Audi videos, I'm going to show you how to open the hood. This is very simple, and while I will be demonstrating it on a 2015 Audi A3, the procedure will likely be the same for any Audi or Volkswagen models, and will be similar for most other cars as well. If in doubt, you can always check your vehicle's owner's manual for the specific procedure for your car. First, make sure your wiper arms are not raised from the windshield. Otherwise, the paint on the hood could become damaged upon opening. Next, you will need to open the front driver door. Then, between the speaker on the bottom of the door and where the driver's left foot would be, pull the hood release towards the driver. Upon pulling, you will hear the hood somewhat unlock, as we have just released the primary latch. This release is on the inside of your car for security, so that any random person can't just open your hood from the outside. Next, we will go to the front of the car. Underneath the front center of the hood, you will find the rocker switch. Pull the end of the switch upwards to release the hood. This additional step is for safety in case you accidentally release the hood or if the hood release fails while driving. This way, the hood will remain closed and not obstruct your view. For example, to close the hood, pull the hood back down towards the engine and then push it shut. When you do this, you should hear it click, telling you that the latches have been closed. Remember that we need to shut two latches here, the secondary or safety latch, and then the primary latch. As a sanity check, you should not be able to pull up on the hood if the hood is properly shut. To assert your dominance over the vehicle, you can also just slam the hood shut, which is probably what most people will do. And that's it. You're now one step closer to being a certified mechanic. Please let me know if this was helpful or if you have any questions or issues in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video.